My daughter.
Baba.
Take this. You will take it to a 3 junction. You will put it there and go. I will do the remaining jobs at night. By tomorrow, you will receive a good news that your son has successfully crossed Libya to Italy.
Thank you, Baba.
You can go.
Thank you.
Ogana nyowe. Jehovah nyowe o. Jesu yo, Jesu.
Hello.
Mommy. Good afternoon, ma.
Hey, my pikin, how are you? Good afternoon.
Hey, mommy, I
Tell you say I don't enter Europe.
Eh? You don't get Italy? Hey! Olúwa ẹ ṣé o. Olúwa mo dúpẹ́ o. Ọlọ́run, thank you.
Mommy, guess what? As I just dey enter Europe, I just jam one Igbo woman.
Woman like me, put me for us, come make me find work.
They pay me big money for that work. Oh.
Now God go bless that person for me. God go bless am well.
Mommy, I go send you money come for you. You go see that man when do that work for us. And then you still keep some for yourself. Maybe you enjoy.
Okay, no problem. I go do am.
So I did work now, Sha. If I close for work later, I'll call you. Bye bye. I said, may I inform you, say I don't enter.
Okay now, bye. Mo dúpẹ́ mo fìyìn f'Olúwa. Gègé. Mo dúpẹ́ mo fìyìn f'Olúwa.
My daughter, you have been looking for me.
Yes, Daddy.
Hope there's no problem.
There's no problem, Daddy. I decided to just come and show you some appreciation.
For what?
Daddy, my son has finally crossed from Libya to Europe. As I'm talking to you now, he's in Italy.
Wow.
Yes.
That's good news. But I can't remember you and I discussing about your son traveling to Europe. Neither did we provide.
I know that one, sir. I know. But you know you are my spiritual father. My spiritual daddy.
Of course, I know.
That's why I decided to come and tell you and still appreciate you.
Oh,
yes.
All right. That's fine.
I have something for you. I still have your account number.
Oh, really?
Yes. Daddy, check your phone.
Wow. 3 million naira. My daughter, kneel down. Let me pray for you.
Wetin you say happen? Abi you thief?
Mama, you no know pikin when you born again.
Me no know. I no come know again. Abi you? Wetin go happen now? Wetin happen?
Mama, nothing happen because this question wey you dey ask me so I no even get answer to give. Now my working place I dey. As I finish work, they go house. Now I see police. They say make I stop. Now they carry their wahala come meet me. Say I'm under arrest. Well, okay, what I do? They not gree tell me. They say like this Nigeria they go. May I choose whether I go jail or I go back to my country. Now so they deport me. Now I just dey here so.
Hey, my enemies are at work. Oh, my enemies. Hey. I dey come.
Mi de perise we wo mi nyowe.
Baba.
Mi da no mi we wo mi kewe.
Baba oh.
Ogene wuriri to de we. Wo sire na body.
Baba, there's fire on the mountain. Baba, my pikin will go Italy. They don't deport him. Baba, beg help me. Beg.
Hey. Madam, where you got your help from was different from where you went to show appreciation. Yes, I'm aware. I brought him back to the country.
Papa. Beg.
You gave me 30,000 naira, which I used in preparing the things I gave to you. But you went to give to a pastor 3 million naira for work that he did not do. Madam, you are wicked. You are very, very wicked. Give what belongs to Caesar to Caesar. He pay me.